Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So we're gonna get started by opening up our settings, and in here navigate to the very bottom where you'll find System and Update. Next, select Reset and Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, this list importantly includes things like photos, music, and basically all user data. Things like accounts you don't really need to worry about. It just gets rid of them from the phone, but obviously these accounts still exist and you can re-sign into them later on without any kind of problem. Now, scrolling down, we do have the listed accounts right here. And anyway, we're going to select Reset Phone. Now, we do have the option to back up our device right here. So you can go through this backup right here, but I actually would recommend against this. Now, the reason I recommend against using this backup right here is because this will be done to the HUAWEI Cloud. And this will lock you strictly into this specific brand. So you won't be able to restore this backup on other devices like Samsung. So as an example, if you're creating a backup, resetting this device because you want to sell it, because you get a new phone, yeah, that backup on the new phone won't be available to you as long as that device isn't a HUAWEI. If it is, you can restore it, no problem. If it isn't, well, tough shit, you're not getting that backup again. So I personally recommend grabbing something like a cable and just plugging it in and moving the data manually from the phone to your computer. And you can obviously do this on the computer. Just drag the file to, I don't know, like a folder that you create on your desktop, and you can keep it that way. And this gives you, number one, privacy of your own data, as it's not being stored on someone else's computer like Huawei's. It's just being stored on your personal computer. It gives you security because you know that no one else has access to this computer, or someone does, but it's obviously up to you. And number three, this data is safe on your own hardware instead of someone else's, and can be accessed by you at any point on any device, and with no restrictions. So that's why I recommend doing backups manually. Now, that being said, I actually have nothing here that I wanted to back up. This device is relatively clean. So in any case, I'm going to select Reset. Now we have two options. You can reset or reset but keep eSIM. If you are using an eSIM profile, you can keep it for some reason. That's obviously completely up to you. Now, if you're planning to get rid of this device, then select the reset only, which means, you know, it will also clear the eSIM as well. That is the best option if you're planning to, I don't know, sell the phone, give it to someone else. By keeping an eSIM, you're basically, it's as though you're keeping a SIM card inside of a phone and giving it to someone else. Now here we have no internet connection. An internet connection is required to sync data to the cloud. Well, I did select that I don't want to back it up, so am I high right here? Apparently it doesn't matter. Okay, cool. So we can just select reset anyway. Wait. I do want to take a moment right here. No internet connection. An internet connection is required to sync data. Why the fuck are you syncing data? I just wanted to reset. I didn't select the backup. To the cloud while device is being reset. Again, what the fuck are you syncing? I'm resetting it. No. Reset anyway. You don't need internet connection. You don't need to back up any kind of bullshit data to your servers without me ever even agreeing to that. Now, for this, I actually recommend, in this case, turning off your internet because... what the shit, basically. Anyway, once you select the reset and continue on, this will begin, obviously, removing all the data from the device. And this will take probably about a minute or so on this phone to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.